Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is proudly sponsored by Fitville. Yes, you heard me. Fitville is a cutting edge company that has healthy foods at the back of their minds, like shoes that will help your soul. So if you're someone who has issues with your feet, you like comfortable, then Fitville is the company for you. So they reached out to me recently and asked me to go to their website and choose anything that I want, and I chose this particular one and I can't wait to unbox with you guys. I'm going to tell you everything about this company as the video continues, but before we get into the video, I'm going to be unboxing the package in which it came with. It came in this package and I'm like, Joy, I'm not going to unbox it unless my camera is rolling. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this with you guys, so do keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, the package arrived like this. I am going to be unboxing now. Okay, this is my scissors, of course. I even did not even open I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Woo. Can you guys see? It's already showing the logo. Ooh. Voila. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to keep my scissors somewhere. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, this is how it came in. I chose this particular one. I'm going to wear my glasses. You guys know that I use my glasses and I've not been seeing well. Okay, let me not deceive myself. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it came in this package and the name of the company is boldly written here, Fitville. Okay, and by the side it also has some description. Fitville Rebound Core, this is the one I chose. Fitville Rebound Core. It's a US size, UK size 9. I just wanted to be very sure that it's going to fit well, so that's why I picked this. And he also writes free your toes. Okay, so those of you who have long toes, big foot, and if you're having issues with your foot, this company is the company for you. Okay, free your toes. As you can see, it's clearly written here. So let's open inside. Also by the front of the packaging, you will also see this written here, Fitville. Okay, Fitville. So now let's go ahead and open inside the carton and see what this beauty looks like. Okay, whoa, can you guys see this? Can you see this? Oh my god, this is the color I chose. I love the packaging, to be honest. It's really nice, and I love that it puts this extra stuff here just so that your shoes can be well protected. Oh, you guys, can you see this? I'm just going to keep the carton somewhere. Can you see what this looks like? This is what I chose. This is the Rebound Core. Okay, so I chose this. It's looking kind of big. I hope it's not so big for me. I wanted something that's very comfortable since it's going to be like a walking running shoes, and I want something that when I wear a big socks, you guys know that the UK is pretty cold, I'll wear my thick stockings, I will still not feel any pain. So I chose like a size bigger than my actual size, or I chose one size higher, and this is what it actually looks like. I cannot even lie, I love, seriously, this is not because this is a sponsored video, I love the color, and I love that it has pink here. You guys know I'm a girly girl, so I love this pink color here. And this, so I'm gonna try it. You guys are gonna see everything, but before I continue, I need to quickly tell you guys everything that you need to know about Fitville as a company and this particular shoe. So guys, I'm going to be telling you everything about this shoe. Okay, and I'm also going to be giving you guys my discount code. Yes, I have a discount code, and if you shop using my discount code, you get some percentage off. I'm going to explain everything to you right now. Okay, Fitville is a cutting edge company pursuing human foot health. Okay, so if you are all about healthy foot, healthy footwear, you don't want discomfort when you're wearing your shoes, then this is the company that you should look into purchasing shoes from, because they are very, very particular about your health, the health of your shoe. They don't want you to be wearing shoes and you're feeling pain. There's one particular sneakers I wore one day, and oh my god, I was feeling so much pain. I couldn't even wear it from here to here. But with this company, they are very, very considerate about the health of your feet, okay, of your foot. So Fitville shoes are helpful for people in their daily life to prevent sprained ankles and knee injuries. So for those of you who have sprained ankles or knee injuries, or you're trying to prevent it, like those of you who are clumsy, like when you walk you're always kicking or bumping, so this company is right company for you to purchase your shoes from. Okay, also we are friendly to those who have foot problems and have wide foot. For those of you who have wide foot, FitVille is a very friendly company for you, okay, because they are very considerate for those who have wide foot. This brand is a brand that you should look into patronizing from, okay, because their shoes are very considerate for people who have wide leg. Okay, so the shoes are equipped with a wide toe box, patterned PropelCore EVA soles, and shock absorbing pads, all to prevent you with a cushioned and comfortable experience. The shoes has a wide 2E and extra wide 4E. For those of you who are wide footers, this shoe will relieve your foot pressure, because the wide toe boxes say goodbye to jamming foot into narrow sneakers. So if you have wide foot and you are trying to push your wide foot into a narrow sneakers, you will agree with me that it will be very uncomfortable for your foot. So these shoes has wide foot, so you can put your foot into the shoes and you will not feel any discomfort at the side, or any itch or any scrape or whatsoever at the side of your foot. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like, and it's really super nice and comfortable. The quality of the material, you guys, I cannot even lie, this is very high quality. I have seen a lot of sneakers in my lifetime, and this quality is super nice. I am going to also be showing you guys after I've used it for a while, so it doesn't feel like, oh, this is just my first experience. I'm going to wear it a couple of times, like when I'm going for school run and all that. I'm going to use this, and I want to show you guys exactly what this shoe is about. I'm going to remove this thing from inside now so you guys can see. It has this shoe part so that it doesn't compress it. Can you see how wide this place is? So this is what I'm talking about when I say it has a wide design for wide foot. Okay, so it doesn't matter how big your foot is, this will fit perfectly. Can you guys see how very wide it is? And it's super comfortable inside. I love the cushion inside. This is what they use. Oh my word, you guys, honestly, I need to take this out for you to see. Can you see the cushion? It is super soft and super thick. It's not so thin. It's very comfortable. The padding here is thicker than here, so it's super comfortable. It's really nice, you guys. I don't even know any English to use to describe the quality of these shoes. It's very nice, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to rock it. You're going to see it. You know, we always show you how we rock these things. Okay, so I also have a good news for you guys, because there's a link in my description box. Please click on that link to get 30% off on your order, and use my promo code JOY30. Okay, so if you want to get any of these babies for yourself, so if you want to get these for yourself, this is not the only shoe they have. They have different shoes. They also have for male. They have sandals. They have different lovely shoes on their website. So click on the link in my description box and use my promo code JOY30 to get a whooping 30% off your orders from FitVille. What are you waiting for? Please click on that link and go purchase yourself some beautiful, comfortable sneakers and shoes, whatsoever design you want from FitVille, and you end up saving 30% if you use my promo code JOY30. And I also have good news for new or first-time users of the FitVille app. Okay, use the link in my description box if you are a first-time user, and use my promo code JOY32 to get 32% for those who are new users. What I mean is that if this is your first time for buying anything from FitVille, go ahead and use my promo code JOY32 to get 32% off on your order. Only for first-time users. But if you've been buying from FitVille before, you can use my promo code JOY30 to get 30% off on anything you buy from FitVille. How lovely is that? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download now. Use the link in my description box. Don't forget, just click on that link and purchase from FitVille. Okay, and please thank me later. I want to hear your feedback also. I don't want to be the only one who tells you this is good. I need you to also try it and give me your honest feedback. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next part of the vlog. Okay, bye guys.